Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install. Today's wig is from Unice Hair and this is their Wear and Go 6 by 4.5 pre-cut lace natural black glueless bob air wig. And when I mean air wig, I mean the cap, but we'll get to that in a second. This hair is so sleek, it is so silky, it's so smooth, and bob wigs are extremely popular for this hot heat. She is 100% glueless and 100% secure. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just continue to watch. As always, I'm giving you guys an unboxing. Unice Hair is known for sending so many gifts along with your unit, so it is definitely worth it to purchase from them. You're going to get so many goodies. So here is the wig once more. Again, this is their pre-cut 6 by 4.5 lace closure bob wig. Extremely popular for the summer, as I mentioned before. That is a close-up of that lace, you guys. That lace comes pre-plucked for you, and it also comes pre-cut. So if you are a beginner, you do not have to worry about cutting your own lace or plucking it or anything like that. It comes ready for you. Now this is the air cap that I was talking about earlier. This air cap allows your scalp to breathe. Another good thing about the summer, and it also has that adjustable strap for a glueless wig install. So of course I washed the wig off camera. I also did bleach the knots, so I would give you guys another close-up of that lace, but I'm giving you guys another close-up of that wig cap as well. As you guys can see, I could put my fingers right through this thing. She is so like breathable. Now the end of that wig cap, that silicone base that you guys saw, that's actually to prevent your wig from slipping and sliding. And of course you have that adjustable elastic band, and that is what the lace looks like after I went ahead and bleached the knots. So the first thing that you want to do is add some makeup on your lace. Now I do not like to cake product on my lace or the hair in itself because I just feel like it weighs down the wig and it also messes up the longevity of the time frame that you will have the wig on. So just do a thin layer, okay? And also you're going to adjust that adjustable strap to your preference. You guys know, like I always say, if your head is small or if your head is big, you don't have to worry about that. That's what that adjustable strap is for. Just adjust it to your liking to make the wig fit to how you need it to fit, okay? So once I have the wig on and everything is good to go, I'm going to get all those flyaways out of my face. You guys will see me use my wax stick and my hot comb just to make sure the wig is laying right and it's looking extremely natural. Oh, so really quick, before we get into the wax stick and the hot comb part, which you guys can watch, that really needs no explanation, I just want to let you guys know that I will be doing another style towards the end of this video. Right now we're going in with that average middle part, mostly because of the way that this bob wig is cut. It's mostly longer in the front and short in the back, which I technically prefer. I think that's really pretty, but I am going to show you guys that you can still do a cute little half up, half down style, even though we are working with a closure here. So just make sure you stay tuned through the end of the video. Alright, the lace is looking extremely flat and it is looking real pretty and real natural. I'm going to be giving you guys a close-up of that lace as well, but right now I'm just adding some makeup onto the lace. So y'all saw me add makeup on earlier, and again, I still go in with a thin layer, but if I need to add more, then I would add more. So for example, that middle part needed just a little bit more foundation. So this is a close-up of the lace just so you guys can see. I'm just dabbing some more foundation at the edges of the lace just to really make sure that it is blending in with my skin tone and it's looking believable and it's giving a natural hairline. Alright, so I did one side off camera. Just so you guys know, I will have all the information to this particular wig in the description box down below, including the inches, the density, all that good stuff, and the direct link. So if you need additional information, make sure you check out the description box down below. But I flat ironed one side off camera, so I'm going to show you guys how easy it was to do the other side. This wig is looking so pretty. I know you guys see how pretty it looks. So you're just going to flat iron the hair, not straight, but you're kind of going to flick your wrist once you get towards the ends, just to kind of bump it a little bit. You know, if you do want it straight, you can do it straight, but I like it with just a little bump, not too much. Now as far as my thoughts on the quality of this hair, you guys, this hair is so silky and it's so smooth. I'm pretty sure you can see that on camera, and it is very shiny as well. It's giving silk press, and no, I did not add any products to this hair to make it look like that. That's just the hair quality in itself. Did not have any tangling, did not have any shedding. You guys know I rave about Unice hair because of the quality of their hair. Their hair is always silky and it's always smooth. Definitely always a good choice. Alright, so we are officially done with this wig install, you guys. How easy was that? That was super easy and very quick as well. I'm showing you guys the quality of the hair. As you guys can see, she is still 100% glueless, and as I mentioned earlier, she is secure. So I did not have to use anything else to really make this wig secure. That elastic band was enough and she was fitting perfectly. So now I'm going to show you guys another style that you can do with this wig. Now we are going to do like a little bang action in the front and a little half up, half down. Now keep in mind that this is a 6 by 4.5 closure, so we do have limited space to work with, kind of. Meaning that like the ponytail portion, since we're doing a half up, half down, it can't be as wide because we have to cover up the sides, and you guys will see what I mean by that in a second. If I go too close to the end of the closure, you will see like where the lace stops, and we don't want that. We want to cover that up. So as you guys can see, I'm kind of finessing it to make sure that I'm covering up the edges of where that lace ends, okay? Because I did not want to add any baby hairs. I feel like baby hairs will really throw it off because we're already adding these two little bang things in the front. But if you want to add baby hairs and you don't want to do the bangs and you still want to do a half up, half down, you can definitely do that, but that's completely up to you. So after you carve out your bangs, it's up to you if you want to cut them or not. I did not, because I'm not leaving my hair like this. I actually prefer to wear this hair down as a regular bob, and being that this wig is cut in a specific way for the bob style, I didn't want to mess that up. But if you want to cut your little fangs in the front, you can definitely do that. So as you guys can see, real easy. You're just going to slick it back, and then I used a rubber band to do the little ponytail part, and then you're just going to make sure everything's nice and neat with like your hot comb, your wax stick, and your flat iron. Just make it look pretty. Okay, you guys, and that is how this style came out. Really cute. I feel like if you was going somewhere, you kind of wanted to get a little festive, like if you're going to a concert or something, I feel like this is really cute. And as you guys can see, she is still 100% glueless, so I was still able to achieve that style without having to add any product to secure that lace down. So this wig is definitely a goodie. We all love a bob wig, but it's a whole lot better when you have a versatile bob wig. So again, I will have all the information to this specific wig listed in the description box down below, including the link to my Amazon store if you're curious as to which products I use for this flawless wig install. But shout out to Unice Hair. This wig is super easy and super beginner friendly. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you next time.